Hey everybody, welcome back to Slocum Themes. Wanted to give you a quick video on an update that we have out for our Baton theme. Both free and pro versions are receiving WooCommerce support. This is what it looks like right here. This is the shop display of WooCommerce, be it in, again, the Baton free or pro versions. If we go into a product, we can see that, it's got the nice layout, nice modern layout, related products. Everything looks really sharp. Clicking Add to Cart will then prompt this sort of standard WooCommerce display to let you know that the product has been added to the cart. We're going to go ahead and hit View Cart. And you have a few options here. Again, both in free and in pro. You can see this is the cart. You get the footer and the header here. If I go to edit this post, I can switch one of the templates to, let's say, landing page, and update that. I'm going to go ahead and view the cart here. And our landing page template is, well, just for that, it's for creating a landing page. And landing page, typically, you don't want any other distraction. So you don't have a footer, you don't have a header. So you know that if somebody's looking at the cart, they won't be distracted. There's not a chance for them to sort of go back to continue shopping, depending on what you're selling, depending on sort of the conversion rates you're after, that kind of thing, and how you want the user to experience your e-commerce store. This might be a benefit. If not, you can leave it on the other template. But maybe specifically on the checkout page, you would want to use the full width, or excuse me, you would want to use the landing page template so that there is no distraction. Like the person's finally here, they're ready to place their order. They just need to, or you just need to capture their credit card or information. So you don't want them to leave this, you don't want them to bounce away from this page. You want them to complete that order. So very cool, sort of nice to have feature for Baton and WooCommerce. So I'd like to talk about using Baton Pro and some of the advantages of that with WooCommerce. So if I go to let's say that's the shop page, for instance, and I go to Customize, in the Customizer, along with our Note plugin active, what you'll notice is you can add in note sidebars above and below the content. So, let's say you had a nice little boutique WooCommerce store, something like that, and you were running a sale for the weekend, and you didn't really want to use sort of a pop-up, or you just wanted a way to express that a sale was going on. You could drop in a note sidebar right here, and then drop in a note widget and maybe do something like the Hero 2, which is a sort of more condensed hero. You could say shopping, or let's say something like save, whatever, 50% this weekend. And you could sort of craft that sort of sales message, put that on any page. You could even put it on an individual product page if you wanted to. If you had a background image, I really don't have one that would go well in this instance, but maybe something like this. If you were a coffee shop, change this to white to make it a little bit more, give it a little bit more contrast. But that's the idea with Baton Pro. You'd have those options there to sort of craft these, more in-depth landing pages. And again, you could do this on individual WooCommerce product pages as well. And the last thing I want to show you, if you're a Baton Pro license holder and you own a license of Conductor, and now, by the way, you can get a 50% savings code for Conductor when you buy Baton or our Pro Pack of themes. You will have access to all of the add-ons with Conductor. Now, if you own a single license of Baton Pro, you get the free core version of Conductor, and that comes along with the theme, but you will need to upgrade. And again, you'll be able to save 50% if you need function like I'm about to show you. On the homepage, you'll be able to, craft more of a e-commerce type of homepage. And if I did something like this, we're going to put in a hero widget. And just to give you some depth here, so I will put a Baton Hero 1. This is our store. Again, I'll just throw in a image. I'll do the same one as before, and I'll just turn this to white. So now you're able to sort of craft that message. You may even link it to your shop or whatever, however you want to sort of use this this hero area. And by the way, the hero area is you don't need Conductor to do that. This is a separate plugin. This is Note, and you can do this actually on free Baton and Pro Baton. But here's where the owning Conductor license pays off. We're going to add in the Conductor widget. And you might do something like many products. And this will display your WooCommerce products. Now, I might do something like show 3, right? Right there it was showing the most recent 10. This is going to show the most recent 3. And then I can drill it down and make it look a little bit better. I'm going to give it 3 columns, and that'll give us our products straight across. And I'm going to hide the authored by line. I'm going to hide the continue reading. And what I'm going to add in, and again, this is where the Conductor license comes in because you can install the WooCommerce add-on, is I'm going to drop in the add to cart, and I am going to drop in the price. And you can really start to create more custom displays of your content. So I might put the price there, and I might say buy now instead of add to cart. So in this example, I'm customizing my WooCommerce display of these 3 products, and I'm pulling in the custom fields that WooCommerce allows us to pull in, and that's the add to cart button, it's the price, and then any of these other custom fields that we see here, like dimensions, height, shipping class, stock quantity. Those types of fields, depending on what kind of products you're selling, you could pull in using a Conductor widget, or you can use it in the Conductor query builder where you're dropping a short code of these products on any page or post. So if you're writing a blog post, for instance, let's just take a look at that real quick. I'm not going to save that. If you're writing a blog post, we'll go to all posts and add new. If you add Conductor here, you can actually create a new query, and you could say something like my top products, and then add in your same thing. You could do your products, and I would do 3. The output would be 3 columns, and you might hide this stuff here, and I'm just going to create an insert. You can see right here, this is just a short code of that query, and if I preview this, we'll see this right inside of our blog post. Okay, so you might want to clean that up. You might not want to show the entire description. You might want to just show the price and the featured images. Great if you're talking about products that are on sale, that kind of thing. Pretty powerful stuff. Again, you'll get a 50% discount code to own Conductor when you buy Baton, be it the single license or the Pro Pack. You can get Baton for free over at wordpress.org/themes/Baton. You can try that all out for free. And again, if you wanted to upgrade, once you install this theme, you go into the options section, you'll find the purchase links. Thanks for watching. We'll see you